Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see how you could update your old Android Studio version to new Android Studio version. For updating Android Studio, first we need to open Android Studio. Once open, we will click on top Android Studio. In the drop down, click check for updates. If update available, in the bottom right, a pop-up will come. Here it is showing Android Studio Jellyfish available. We will click on update. Then in the pop-up, update and restart. For downloading the update, it will take some time. Once it is downloaded, in the bottom right, a pop-up will show. Here the message is the IDE is ready for update. We will click on restart. Now it will update the download. It takes some time. After that, Android Studio will restart. I have updated my Android Studio to Android Studio Jellyfish. This is how new Android Studio version look like. Thank you for watching. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.